I decided to change my clothes. Okay, so I mean my clothing. Okay, so oh. Wait, I can't go. I can't go. I can't go. What is it? Okay. So, what should we try in this Roblox Waterpark? Please comment down below the description. What should I play at the Waterpark? If you play, let me see. For 10 seconds. More slides. I need to go on that. I need to go on that button and not a button. I can teleport to that place. So, wait. So, more slides. Whoa, baby. Wait, what? What is going on? Okay, I'm going to have. Oh, it's not safety. Please put some lifeguards. Please. Oh. So this Friday, on Saturday, I'm going to do a new video. I'll let you think what the topic is about. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're doing a 3 a.m. challenge. I guess I'm going to do it because I'm scared my mom doesn't let her do it because she doesn't if she knows I'm going to do a 3 a.m. challenge because it's too early. You wake up in the morning and my mom knows it. She'll be angry at me. So with my 2 friends, he's called Tatsu and Pan. So, okay, Tatsu has a YouTube channel account. It's called Takeda Takashi. You will see annotations at the end of the video. Please subscribe to him. Please. Okay, so, yeah, let's continue. It's wasting my time, yo. Because I want a plan and I want my friend to help so that I don't produce any boring video on Roblox. I want to try making some experiments and some kind of stuff like that. Try out candy. I wish one time I want to do a candy taste. Wait. Thai candy or maybe American candy taste test. Oh, wait, what? What is this? What? Oh, what is this? Durian seed, is it? Who left it at my desk? Hey, you. Who left the seed at my desk? No one. Oh. So. Ooh. So. Oh, why I keep saying so? That's stupid. Yo, Archie. Hey, stop saying so. It's for me. So. Again? Oh, come on. Oh, wait. I feel like I have a cool thing to show. Oh, no, I don't have cool. Just only boring stuff. I wish I made like an experiment videos, like where you put like all the gummies and then blend it together and then taste. That would be really cool. Yo guys, I'm a YouTuber. Victor Kickboxing. I'm a YouTube. I'm recording now. Hi. Wait, what? Oh. Hi. Wait, I said hi. Yeah, I said hi. I'm recording. I'm recording. I'm a gamer. I'm a I'm a gamer. Wait, did you hear me? Oh, wait. On the slides. Oh, wait. Oh. What? Oh, hi. Hey. Bam. Oh. I don't need any more coffee. Ah, cool. Oh my gosh. Let's go on the stairs and see. Oh. Hey. Yo, guys. Yeah. I guess I'm going to do more fun with it. Yeah. Wait. This is for you guys. This is the question. Does 4 a.m. works? Like if not 3 a.m. does 4 a.m. works? I don't know. Please comment below the description because I want to know. Because yeah, the same thing. If my mom knows that I woke up at 3 a.m., she'll shut me because it's too early. Okay. If I told her because I'm going to make a video, she'll say it's nonsense. Yo, you're not making a video this early. So wait for me, yo. Wait, what are you doing? I'm going to jump. Oh. No, I'll be your friend. I'll save you. I'm not. Whatever. Wait, come on. Wait for me, yo. Yeah. So cool, yo. Ow. Ow. Why my head hurts? Oh my gosh. Huh? Wait for me. No, where did you go? Kill myself. Wait, what? Wait, what? I'm confused. Where am I? Yo, where am I? A simple question. Okay. Subscribe and hit the ring button. That means notification. Please subscribe. Bam. Please subscribe, please. And shout out to Takeda Takahashi and Pro Gamer Peter. So yeah, bye.